Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about oil in Jamaica. Now, a company called United Oil and Gas is awaiting a license to begin collecting samples from beneath Jamaica's seabed for the samples to look for oil. Basically, they're going to start a hunt for oil. So there were some reports out the other day that there is this massive oil reserve in Jamaica and billions of dollars. We're not sure what that report was speaking to, but this company is going to start exploring for oil in Jamaica or off the coast of Jamaica. United Oil and Gas plc is making significant progress in Jamaica, where they are focused on exploring oil potential. The company is advancing the permitting process for piston core sampling, with permits expected in early 2025, and is actively seeking a drilling partner to mitigate investment risks. Their Jamaican operations are led by Herona Thompson, reflecting the strategic importance of the region in the company's growth plans. United Oil and Gas views its Jamaican operations as a key growth opportunity, with CEO Brian Larkin highlighting the transformative potential of the region. The piston core sampling will provide valuable data on the oil reserves beneath Jamaica's seabed, marking a critical step towards determining the viability of large-scale exploration and extraction. The farm-out process, which involves bringing in a partner to share the financial risks of drilling, is a central focus for the company. Larkin's commitment suggests that there are several parties already interested in collaborating, indicating strong external confidence in the project's prospects. If successful, this could lead to significant economic development for both United Oil and Jamaica, positioning the company as a potential new player in the Caribbean oil market. For United, unlocking the value of the Jamaican license could have a substantial impact on the company's future, making it a pivotal region in their global portfolio. Alright guys, so that's the latest on oil exploration in Jamaica. So based on this article, there is no indication that they have found oil. What they're going to start doing is looking, exploring, taking samples, trying to find out if oil is beneath the Jamaica seabed. Now, if Jamaica was to find oil, the potential would be great for the country. It would be a game changer. So we'll keep you guys updated on the exploration for oil off the coast of Jamaica. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.